up, everybody? Welcome to another Dummy Tech Talks.
Thank you.
Today we are getting back to computer stuff.
It's exciting. I'm really excited about
He
it.
is really excited. I'm excited, actually. I mean, this is pretty cool.
We're gonna see who can build one of these quicker, but we're also gonna take our time, make sure everything's right. These aren't for us, that's why we're gonna make sure everything's right. They are gonna be used.
Everything you see here is two of the same.
Yes, they're the exact same case, same mouse and keyboard. Solid state, RAM, power supply, motherboard, and monitor, and CPU, of course. Quick list, little PNY 120 gigabyte solid state drive, some Vengeance LPX RAM that is actually, it maxes out the speeds for the AMD Athlon 200GE, the Asus Prime A320M motherboard, 500 watt Apiva Prestige 80 plus gold certified power supply, which is going to be great for a good long while. Monitors are just some Scepter 24-inch monitors there.
With no edge.
No edge, yes, because one of these is going to actually have dual monitors.
And you have your MK320 Logitech wireless keyboard and mouse sets.
Yeah.
That's it, you know, really. They're wireless. This is not gaming computers.
Not at all.
These are just workstation computers. But they're also computers. And
It's exciting.
brand new stuff. So
Yeah.
we get to put them all together. Alright, so with all further ado, we're off. On your mark,
You good?
get set, go. Look at that, dude. Almost the same time. Woo! Yeah!
So this is the finished product.
You want to count us down?
Sure, make sure your power supply's on.
Power supply is on.
Perfect. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, fans are kicking.
All right, so there they both are. So that's a good sign. There you go, press F1.
Look at that.
Oh, I think. Yeah, it did.
It did.
That's interesting.
Maybe they gotta be a little bit further apart.
Okay, no problem. See, this works for both of them. No, it does not. Okay, so on here, you can see. Okay, yeah, cool. It's all working properly. That's the CPU. The memory's all there. Memory, 16 gigabytes on each of them. Yeah, there, and then you got the PNY 120 gigabyte solid state drive. That's there. Everything seems to be working. So once we get an operating system in here, you can actually use it for stuff.
Well, if you guys liked it, hit that like button and subscribe if you ain't subscribed.
Don't forget to hit the bell so you can get all our notifications when they come out. We also have a Twitter and a Snapchat if you feel like checking that
If you're
out.
feeling frisky.
Woo.
So we'll put the links in for you.
I'll see if I can put a link with all the parts too. Just because
That's gonna be a long
it's yeah, and it's not a gaming computer. It's a workstation, so it's not great, but it gets the job done.
for all you people working at home right now.
Heck yeah.
All right, guys. We will see y'all next time. Dummy Tech Talks.
Yeah.